Key Security Systems presents a PowerMaster tutorial video. How to use your touchscreen keypad. The keypad is touch and sound activated. You can wake it up by tapping the screen or even clapping in front of it. Most things that can be done with the main keypad on the panel can also be done from the touchscreen keypad. Wake up the keypad. To arm the system, tap the lock padlock button, then enter your user code. In this example we are using 4 ones. The 30-second countdown will now begin. To disarm the system, click the unlock padlock button and enter your user code. You can control the volume of the keypad by tapping this button. Troubles on the system would be shown as an illuminated triangle. To check the system status and any troubles that are showing, tap the star button. The system will speak to you and list the troubles.
Disarm. Ready to arm. System troubles. AC power failure.
There is also a panic button built into the keypad. To activate the panic button, simply press and hold the 2 bottom buttons shown here for 2 seconds. The keypad will automatically go to sleep after 10 seconds of inactivity. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.